Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make from 100 all the way to $5,000 of passive income per month on Twitter. I have several Twitter pages and I can confirm that Twitter is actually a good place to make money online. And actually I'm going to show you a software that will help you to do all of these automatically to make passive income. So basically this is a set and forget method. And I'm going to show you step by step how to set up everything, so make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to make your Twitter page. And this is really important, so please pay close attention. You need to set up your Twitter page properly. Now this is one of my Twitter pages, and here you can see be your own boss. I only have 783 followers on this page. On some of the Twitter pages I have more than 100,000 followers. Now here you can see I added a profile image. Now the profile image should be related to your page. If it is a personal profile, add some nice photo. If it is a page about some business or whatever, you need to add a logo or something like that. Also, you need to add a timeline image. Here you can see plan, start, work, okay? And here, this is really important. You need to add your bio. Now, this is really important. You won't believe, but many people on Twitter actually read your bio before they decide to start following you. That is why you need to add a bio on your Twitter page. And here you can see you can add a link. Now I added a link to my YouTube channel, but what you need to do, you need to add a link to your link tree. In that link tree you can promote multiple different affiliate products from multiple different affiliate networks, and also you can promote your other social media pages. Facebook page, Instagram page, Pinterest page, YouTube channel, and so on and so on. Now to do that, what you can do is you can simply click here on edit profile, and here you can add a timeline image, profile image, name of the page. Here you can add a bio, and here you can add a link to your website or to your Linktree, YouTube channel, or whatever you want. After you do that, all you have to do is just click here on save, and that's it. You will save that. It is really important because, like I said, many people on Twitter actually read a bio before they decide to start following you. And another thing that is really good about Twitter is, unlike other social media, followers on Twitter are important. Here you can see I only have 783 followers, but followers on Twitter are important, and they are especially important for this method that I'm going to show you today. So try to get as many followers as you can. You can do that manually by following other people in your niche or engaging with other people in your niche. But also, like I said, I'm going to show you software that will actually do that automatically, so you don't have to do that manually. Now, another way to get traffic to promote your affiliate offers is to actually start making tweets. So just go back here on home, and here you can make posts, okay? And you can share links. And if you have, for example, 50 or 100,000 followers, trust me, you will get 500, maybe even 2,000-3,000 clicks on your link, on your affiliate link, and you will probably make a few sales, okay? But making all of and you should make at least 4 or 5 posts every day. But making those posts 4 or 5 times a day, it's actually time consuming. So what I did, I simply click here and I schedule my posts for the entire week. And all I do after that is I simply reply on comments. I engage with my followers. That is really important. You need to engage with your followers. You need to create a connection. That is really important for this method. Now, another way to get traffic, to promote your affiliate offers, is to send message to people. Here you can see you can send direct messages, but only to your followers. You cannot send messages to random people, only to people who are following you. But like I said, this takes lots of time and lots of work to send those messages to all of these people here manually. But I'm going to show you software that will do that automatically. Now, to grow our Twitter page automatically, we are actually going to use software called Phantom Booster. Now, this software is not free, but when you go here on pricing, you will see that they have a 14 days free trial. And if you prepare your Twitter page like I showed you, if you get at least 500 followers before you start using this software, trust me, you will make money to start paying for this software. Now, after you register for a free trial, 14-day trial, you will come to your dashboard. So what you need to do, you need to click here on use a phantom. Now here you can see these guys have different solutions. So when you hover over solutions, here you can see you can actually use it for LinkedIn, you can use it for Google Maps, Twitter, Instagram, and when you click here on all solutions, you can see all the software, all the social media for which you can actually use it. Facebook, GitHub, Reddit, and so on and so on. You can even use it for YouTube. But we are actually looking for Twitter. So what we need to do, we need to simply click here on Twitter. And as you can see, here you can see Twitter auto liker, auto poster, auto retweeter. So you can use all of these to grow your Twitter page, okay? So what we need to do, we actually need to click here on Twitter following collector. Click here, use this phantom, okay? Because we need to collect our followers. Now this is really important part of the video, so please pay close attention because now we are going to set up this software. Here you can see your Twitter session cookie. Here you need to add a link to your Twitter profile. So go back on Twitter and copy the link to your Twitter profile. It is really important for you to be logged into your Twitter profile. Otherwise, it won't connect. So you must be logged into your Twitter profile. Go back on Phantom Booster and paste that link here. Click here, connect to Twitter, okay? Give it a few seconds to actually connect to Twitter. Click here on save and it will take you to the next page. And here you need to add a profile image. Same thing, just add that here. Click here on save and give it a few seconds. Now here, number of followers, you don't need to do anything. Just click here on save. Give it a few seconds. Now here you need to click repeatedly, okay? Repeatedly, once per day, okay? Click here once per day and you don't need to do anything here. Click here on save and now all you have to do is just click here on launch and it will start collecting your Twitter followers in this case. Now, depending on how many followers you have, this may take a few seconds or this may take a few minutes. Like I said, depending on how many followers you actually have. Now, I don't have that many followers, so this shouldn't take that long, but I'm going to pause this video until it collects all the followers. Okay, it finished collecting all the followers. When I scroll here you can see all my followers. So what you need to do, you need to click here on more. And then here you can see results CSV file. You need to click here to copy. So I copied the link and paste that here in a notepad because we are going to need that, okay? So next we need to go back. So let me just go back here on solutions and go back on Twitter. And now what we need to do, we need to scroll here. So let me just find what I'm actually searching for. Okay, Twitter message sender. So I need to click here on use this phantom because I now need to send message to all of my Twitter followers. Okay, so here what I need to do, your Twitter session cookie. Again, I need to go back to my Twitter profile. I need to copy link to my Twitter profile. Again, you must be logged in. That is really important. And you need to paste that here, okay? Click here, connect to Twitter and click here on save. Like I said, here again, you need to paste the link to your Twitter profile and again, click here on save. Now here you can see number of lines to process per launch. Just leave it as 10. You can increase it, but just leave it as a 10. And here you need to send a message, okay? Now I already prepared the message. Now it's not the best message. Of course, you will make a better message. So I can say something like this. Positions available now. Social media jobs from the comfort of your home. Message me for more details. You can say something like that because my page is something about making money online, as you can see here. And that is why I'm promoting Make Money Online offer. So when you go here on advanced settings, you can advance settings, results. You don't really need to do anything here. Just click here on save. And again, click here on repeatedly. And click here once per day. Okay, you can choose 2 times per day, but I suggest to use it once per day. Okay, and then you click here on save. Give it a few seconds. And when you click here on launch, it will start automatically sending messages to all of your followers, in this case to 783 of my followers. So I don't have to manually send a message to each of these people. And once these people start answering on my message, when they start asking me what kind of social media jobs are those, I can actually start communicating with them, and I can send them to my affiliate link where I'm promoting this offer. And trust me, if you create a trust and connection with all of your followers, people will start clicking on your affiliate link and they will start buying that product. And you can easily make at least $100 with 500 followers on Twitter. Just 500 followers, and trust me, you can make at least $100 in just 1 month. That is how easy this is. But it requires some work and it requires some investment. But like I said, you have 14-day free trial with this software. Just prepare your Twitter page before you start using this software, and you will start making money online with Twitter and affiliate marketing.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.